Hi, it's Ra, Rishi Kavi Raghudas from Star Presence Astrology, here to give the astrological forecast for Tuesday, May 6th, 2025. Well, it's a very interesting day astrologically speaking. It's kind of a dichotomy. The sun today is at 16 degrees of steady she goes, Earth sign Taurus, and the moon today is moving through the early to mid degrees of practical and organized and serviceful Earth sign Virgo. So when both sun and moon are in Earth signs, it's a good day to organize and to just get things done on the physical plane. But today is also interesting because it's another one of those days where it could be light or it could be darkness. The moon does not make an aspect until the evening when it makes a harmonious one. But in the meantime, Venus, the planet of love and affection, which is in feisty 3 degrees of Aries, makes a harmonious 60-degree sextile, flowing angle to Pluto, the Lord of Power. That occurs at 2:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 10:31 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Venus sextile Pluto. Well, I remember Jimi Hendrix, who said, when the power of love overcomes the love of power, there will be true peace. And that's what sort of today is about, is love of power or the power of love. That's also because Mercury, the planet of communication, is conjoined to Chiron, called the Wounded Healer, at 24 degrees of Aries. Again, Aries is not about peace, but it's about standing up and sometimes being very assertive or aggressive. 6:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 9:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 2:48 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. You really want to dwell on all those wounds, or would you like to resolve them? That's the issue today. And finally, in the evening, the moon at late 16 degrees of Virgo makes a flowing harmonious trine to the sun at 16 degrees of Taurus, 9:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 12:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 5:50 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time tomorrow. And that means that today, love of power or power of love, take your pick. I'm Ra, Rishi Kavi Raghudas from Star Presence Astrology. See, we have our Summer of Love shirt on here today to commemorate that choice. Now, if you would like to have a personal reading with me, you can book it on my website, which is starpresence.net. Remember, from the very moment that you're born, you've got star presence. Enjoy this day, no matter what.